Hello friends, welcome to SP777. Let's talk about Xiaomi Redmi 12C. In this phone, you get two Wi-Fi brand. You know that, and 2 plus 1 card slot. Xiaomi has been a leader in a smartphone market for quite a while now, and its latest offer, the Redmi 12C, is no different. The Redmi 12C is the latest addition to the Redmi lineup, and it has been make a lot of noise in the market. It's pack a punch with its impressive SPI features, surprising affordable price tag. Let's take a closer look at the Xiaomi Redmi 12C and its features. The Xiaomi Redmi 12C price is 8,999 for the 4GB and 64GB variant. The mid variant comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage is priced at 26,332, while the high-end model with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which has inland value at 10,999. It is available in 4 color options: shadow black, sea blue, mint green and lavender. It is an amazing device for the price, and it is sure to be a hit with budget conscious customers. The Xiaomi Redmi 12C is designed to stand out with its sleek and modern look. The body of its made for metal gives a primary feel. The phone is also equipped with a fingerprint sensor for additional security. Redmi 12C brought a high-definition LCD display measuring 6.7 inches with a resolution of 1650 x 720 pixels. The screen aspect ratio is 20.6:9 and it has a contrast ratio of 1000:1 with a maximum brightness of 500 nits. Xiaomi Redmi 12C is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G85 system on chip along with LPDDR4 RAM and eMMC 5.1 storage. It operates on MIUI 13, which is based on Android 12 operating system. The phone also comes with a variant of sensor including accelerometer, fingerprints. Xiaomi Redmi 12 boasts a 50 megapixel primary camera along with a secondary UVGA lens that captures deep information. It also features a 5 megapixel front-facing camera suitable in the middle of water drop nodes at the top of the screen. The rear camera are capable of recording video at 1080p and 30 frames per second. Redmi 12 is equipped with a 5000 mAh li-polymer battery. The battery is large enough to last a full day on a single charge, even with a heavy use. Redmi 12C is a great choice for those who are looking for a flagship phone that offers all the latest features. The phone has a primary design, a stunning display, powerful performance, external camera, and a long-lasting battery. So, if you are in the market for a new phone, be sure to check out the Xiaomi Redmi 12C.